So with that being said, I'm going to hand it off to back to Tim, who's going to be talking about the communication drivers.
Awesome. Thanks, Pierre. That's sure. All right, so everybody needs communications, even when you're operating in the North Pole. So let's talk about some new features and some things maybe you aren't aware of that are available with our communications drivers pack. And context, we'll talk about some of those things within context of 2023. All right, so the first thing that we've recently added is the ability to support publishing to an MQTT Sparkplug broker. So we've originally been able to be a subscriber to a broker via MQTT Sparkplug B. Going forward, we have the ability to actually publish that data to that broker. And here you'll see it's all configured. Both options are configured within the OI server for the MQTT OI server. And here you see the options of if I'm enabling it for Sparkplug B or if it's just JSON. And here you see the security credentials being authenticated if you need to. And then I can publish that data that I've selected into a designated broker. Here they're giving just logical group IDs as well as the client ID that is attached to the broker as well. So here they're going to open up MQTT Explorer, which is a front end to a Mosquito MQTT broker, which is a free broker that you can download and try for free. It's supported by the Eclipse Foundation. And here the example of just publishing that data up to that broker that's being sent from the OI server in System Platform.